Hello everyone, today we are going to write some test on our local application National Bank, which is having domain as banking. So we are going to do login, and after login we are going to do some payment of your mobile, and that is mobile recharge or postpaid. So it is available in the what bill payment, and if I click on the bill payment, then in top up recharge there is one section mobile recharge. Okay, so I'm going to write the three tests. One is for login, second one is for what this mobile recharge is loaded or not. The third one is what I'm going to do test whether this recharge procedure is working fine or not. Okay, so I will do logout, and I'm ready with my class in my Eclipse. So that is my class name is first test in package test cases. Okay, so first test is going to be login test, second one is what top up test, and third one is what mobile recharge test. So very first thing command is going to be there, that is for opening the URL. So driver.get that URL. Okay, next I'm going to type the username. For that purpose I need to have some property of username. That username property, okay, right click is not allowed, so F12 name equals to what username dot send is the username that I'm going to use is 301. Okay, same thing I'm going to do for password. But password field property, let's see, name equals to what password is 30130. Then I will click on login button. So name is what submit. Name is submit. And I will do what click here. I will add some assertion for confirmation. So I'm going to have some like I can have that okay that pay bill option is displayed, then my login is successful. So I'm going to have a checkpoint on that. 0130. Okay, so bill payment if it is available, then my login is successful. That is link text. Okay, so if it is displayed, then assert dot assert equal, okay, driver dot find element by link text is this. If it is displayed, so my expectation is what true it should display. Fine. Okay, so if it is displayed, then my login will be successful. Okay, if it is not displayed, then in that situation the error message will display login failed. And so first test is ready. Second test is what after login I need to click on this bill payment, and of bill payment then I need to click on top of the charge. For clicking on bill payment, I think so we have written the code. Not for identifying the that element I have written a code. Okay, so this is the code to identify. Then next what you want to do there, you want to click dot click, and after clicking you want to click on top up recharge as well. So top up recharge. So this is the link text. So and the target is something frame, so might be chances it may be available inside frame. So let's see, so one frame is going to be there. So if I click, so I think so this is maybe inside frame. So let's check whether it is available inside frame. Okay, so see it is inside frame. So after clicking on that top of recharge, I need to click on this mobile recharge. So that is available inside frame. So I need to switch to that frame. Driver dot switch to frame. The frame is something. Name of the frame is frame 1. Next thing, you want to click on this mobile recharge. So let's see what is property. So I'm going to have some kind of so there is no property available, so I'm going to write relative XPath. So driver dot find element by dot XPath, the XPath expression start with a 2 forward slash star for any matching of tag. Then I'm going to use contains for the text. Find so text is mobile recharge. So if I click, that is okay. So if I click, so after clicking, the target is also mentioned here is for something frame only. So might be chances this next field is also inside frame. So let's check whether it is inside frame or not. Frame 2 something. Okay, so yes, it is inside frame 2. That this next element is also inside frame. So I need to add some kind of assertion that suppose this service provider element is displayed or not. If it is displayed, then my mobile recharge function or link this button is working, correct? So for that purpose, I need to switch to that frame. That is frame is having name as what, frame 2. Frame 2. Okay. Now I need to check whether that element is displayed or not. Which service provider element? So I need to assert. And let's see what is the property of that element. Name is cell. So name is cell. Displayed, then okay, this functionality is working fine. This mobile recharge. But now I want to select some kind of service provider, then enter the username and amount. So for that purpose, this is, I think so, property of, this is property. So next test is regarding what, mobile recharge. So mobile recharge test, that is available inside second frame. So next test is what, mobile recharge test. Okay, so the object available inside this. So next test is what, mobile test. So next is what, mobile recharge test. Next test is regarding, okay, this functionality, whether this process is working fine or not. So next test is regarding what, mobile recharge test. Okay, so I need to select something from here, that is Airtel or Idea. So let's see inspection. So name is what, cell, and I need to select Idea from here. It's a drop down. Okay, so I need to take the help of what, select class, which is available in Selenium, that is select class. I need to pass the element on which I want to do drop down selection. So For that purpose, driver dot find element by dot name dot select by visible text, that is idea. Okay, idea selected. So suppose any kind of a previous data is there, then I, for that purpose, the clear function use. So next element that I'm going to work mobile number. So I'm going to fire first command as what on this is first clear. Okay. Next command that I will fire here is dot send keys, which will have my mobile number. Okay. Fine. Next thing, same thing I will repeat for amount. Okay. Let's see what is property of this amount element. Name is amount. The amount will be something triple one I'm going to mention. If it is successful, then alert message displayed. For that purpose, I need to click on submit. So ID is something login button. So driver dot find element by dot ID dot click. So if everything is working fine or something wrong that I mentioned, so no alert is displayed. But if it is what everything is fine, so one pop-ups comes, that is more JavaScript based alert. Okay. So after clicking on this submit button, okay, I need to try to switch to the alert. So driver dot switch to alert I will try to do, and I will accept if it is available. If it is successful, then log that recharge procedure is going to be passed. But if it is any kind of exception, like okay, no such no alert present, some kind of exception comes in Selenium if the alert is not present. Okay, so in that situation, okay, in that situation, I will ask the Selenium, or I will ask the Selenium to throw one exception with the proper error message. Okay, that error message I will type here, like okay, recharge fail due to due to invalid data. Okay, so this is this assertion errors from test ng. Okay, which is going to which is going to be throw some meaningful error message in the report. Okay, fine. So I will have the semicolon here. Fine. Okay, so let's run it whether it's working fine or not with the help of this test ng.xml. Okay, which will pass one parameter as what browser. Let's run it. So everything works fine here. Okay, so that much in the current video. Next video we are going to see data driven testing on this mobile recharge test. Okay, with the help of what Excel file. Okay, okay. So catch you in next lecture. Thank you.